Hello friends, my name is James. And this is my 1965 Alberg 30 sloop Tritea. We are on a mission to sail around the world and see as much of this beautiful planet as possible. We're currently working our way through the South Pacific. I can't wait to show you everything we see. Alright. It's morning here in Fiji, Copper Shed Marina. We're gonna head into the marina and scope out some stuff. We're gonna find out about the showers. I haven't had a stand-up shower since Tahiti, so that will be awesome. I'm gonna get some breakfast at the cafe, and then we're gonna find a nice spot to work on the computer, get some videos uploaded, and see if they have Wi-Fi over in that zone. I think they do at Suva Yacht Club, which is basically a little restaurant that they call a yacht club with a nice little patio area and stuff. So let's, we have our laundry. Oh, that's the other thing we're gonna see about dropping off laundry. Laundry, some trash. You can see the reefs right there. And yeah, let's head in and find out what's up. So here on the nice little outdoor area at Copper Shed Marina, drop my laundry off with the nice women who do the laundry here in that building right there. Drop it off, come back in a day or so and pick it up. Went and had breakfast over at the cafe, really good breakfast. And I had dinner there as well the other night. It's a great spot and really affordable. Everything's affordable here. I spoke with the marina office about the showers, and they said the showers are in the same little building with the laundry. So I'm gonna hit that before I go back to the boat. Right now I'm just sitting out under the shade, enjoying this perfect temperature out, a slight breeze, and catching up on some computer work, uploading a video to YouTube, and just taking it easy. It's really nice and a pleasant environment to do it in. So I'm gonna get back to my work. I just wanted to show you guys my surroundings. It's time for an adventure here in Suva. I found the location of a waterfall. It's 16 kilometers away, which I guess is like 8 miles or something. So we're gonna go into town and we're gonna buy sevu supplies, which is what you need to make an offering to a chief for kava drink, because it's in a village, and you need to make that offering to pass through the village to go to the waterfall. And we'll pick that up, and then we'll hop over to the wild bus station that's over there and try to ask someone how to get to this village on the bus. So let's get ready for our first real Fiji adventure. So I purchased my first bundle of sevu to present to the chief of the village we're going to. And now it's time to go check out these buses. They're very Jewel of the Nile, if you saw that movie in the 80s. And figure out which bus we need to get on to get to this village and its waterfall. Vaudomo?
Village.
Okay, and how you say? How you say goodbye?
Mode.
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 And then you say thank you.
Vinatka.
Vanatka. Okay, Vanatka. And Vode. Mode. See, I gotta practice. Every time I learn these new ones, I gotta practice more and more. Thank you.
Vinatka.
Punohan pa ba yung ruha?
My escort party. So we went into the village and offered sevu sevu to the chief. Got permission to go to the waterfall. Peter and his gang are gonna escort me to the waterfall. And super stoked. Gonna look out for some birds and see the sights.
More than mine. You can hear it.
Wow, beautiful. So cool. Thank you, Peter. Cool, beautiful. Woo! Ha 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 ha! Woo! Wow, man, wild man. I gotta go put my swim trunks on and get in this water. Yeah! Hell yeah. Yeah! Fantastic. Absolutely fantastic. there are these very strange, really long spiders that share this sort of communal web. I think they're too kind of hard to pick up on camera. They're very interesting though. Fantastic experience. So cool. The whole village, all the village children came out and swam, and they're having a good time. Awesome waterfall, really refreshing. And what a joy it was to experience that whole thing. And the village, and them trying to teach me some Fijian, which is a hopeless endeavor. But they were so sweet. The chief was this elderly woman, maybe she might have been in her 80s. Obviously I didn't film that because they're not necessarily comfortable. It's kind of taboo. It's very taboo to film anyone without permission, but I asked them about there at the end, but you gotta be respectful and respect the traditions, and then you get access to these sort of experiences. And now I'm gonna start making my way back. Without my massive entourage, I can kind of slow down and look at the nature and stuff and peek out some birds and flowers. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Rather steep hill. I'm gonna catch the bus back. The bus driver in town had told me, oh no, you have to walk too far if you take the bus. I'll call for my friend who does a cab. And then the cab dude obviously ultra overcharged me, but the overcharge fee in American dollars was like 15 bucks, so it's fine. And I got that experience. So, if I don't die by the time I get to the top of this hill, I know there's a bus station or a bus stop at the top. There are these big ass millipedes dead on the side of the road over here. Like, that's for scale. Pretty big. I stopped at the bus stop at the top of the hill from the village. and spoke with some gentlemen that were there waiting for the bus, and they explained that the buses only take cards, and that if you only have cash, you can only catch a taxi. And then he looked absolutely horrified that I paid $35 to get to the 35 Fijian dollars to get to the village, but it's okay. I don't mind helping out people in the community though, which I have plenty, so. Now, but I'm enjoying the walk back because I'm getting to see lots of cool stuff. I just got to ride like halfway with some nice local dudes, and yeah, that was very sweet of them. The walk was only 8 miles. They probably knocked out half of it or more, pretty close now. I don't mind walking because I rarely get any exercise otherwise, but I also would rather walk 4 miles than 8 miles. Made it back to Suva Suva just in time. It's pouring rain. I got 2 rides back. One, those nice gentlemen picked me up, and then a taxi picked me up and refused to take money. He's like, no, I'm going that way anyway. So that was cool. But I'm glad I got back right before this downpour. Now I'm gonna crush this delicious veggie fried rice. If you enjoy the content on this channel and would like to contribute, you can consider joining the Patreon crew. Thanks for watching. Fair winds until next time.